You know, I thought I'd talk about cough drops tonight, so I brought one here. And we'll see what's in my magic egg globe. Says the show will end when Mr. Bear eats his Luden's cough drop. Okay, thank you. Well, what an entire waste. So, I brought Luden's. Luden's are known to taste like candy, but wild cherry. It's not exactly tasting like candy. Like some people, I tried this like honey mint, and I think this one's gonna be pretty good. And my mom's like, no, you're not gonna like it. And then I tried it. I'm like, save me, I'm dying. Oh man. Okay, so I switched to these. Those were just. Those are just killers. They're just terrible. And do not try those. Vicks. Okay, Vicks was wrong. Luden's, they're pretty good. I wonder what the watermelon flavor ones taste like. They taste pretty good, I suppose. Because watermelon stuff tastes pretty good, huh? So what do you think, George? Cough drops.
That's weird.
Okay, weird. But I like it, No. Okay. What about the gag flavor? Who want to eat a gag flavor? Me? Why? Cause I'm a gloomy ghost. And I like barf. Do you drink it in your smoothies? Have one every day. Really? 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 Goodbye, George. I think I'm gonna eat this. I know the globe was right.